The natural world is a place of constant struggle, where survival hinges on an organism's ability to outwit, outrun, or outmaneuver its adversaries. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, join us as we unveil the top 10 most incredible defense mechanisms in the animal kingdom. Let the countdown begin. Our journey begins in the coral reefs of Southeast Asia, home to a creature that could rival the most skilled of illusionists, the Mimic Octopus. This cephalopod marvel can change its appearance, blending into surroundings or morphing into other marine creatures. A master of disguise, it can impersonate up to 15 different species. Its secret lies in chromatophores, allowing it to alter skin color and texture with speed and accuracy. From the ocean depths, we venture to the arid landscapes of North America, where a creature with a truly unsettling defense mechanism resides, the horned lizard. When confronted by a predator, the horned lizard inflates its body, making itself appear larger and more intimidating. But if this tactic fails, the lizard resorts to a far more drastic measure. It contracts muscles around its sinuses, restricting blood flow and increasing pressure. Then, with astonishing precision, the horned lizard squirts a jet of blood from its eyes, aiming for the predator's face. Our journey now takes us to the murky depths of the Amazon River, home to a creature that has mastered the power of electricity, the electric eel. What sets the electric eel apart is its ability to generate powerful electric shocks thanks to specialized electrocytes-modified muscle cells that line its body. These electrocytes act like tiny batteries, and when stacked together, they can produce an electrical discharge of up to 600 volts, more than enough to stun or even kill prey. But the electric eel's shocking abilities are not limited to hunting. It also uses electricity for navigation and communication in the murky waters it calls home. Prepare yourself for a fiery encounter as we meet the Bombardier beetle, a small insect with an explosive secret. When threatened, the Bombardier beetle mixes two volatile chemicals, hydrogen peroxide and hydroquinone, within a specialized chamber in its abdomen. This reaction generates an intense burst of heat reaching a scorching 212 degrees Fahrenheit and produces a noxious, boiling hot spray that is ejected with incredible force. The sound of the Bombardier beetle's chemical defense is just as startling as the spray itself. A series of rapid pops accompanies each discharge, creating a miniature fireworks display that is sure to send any predator running for cover. Our journey now takes us to the ocean floor, where we encounter a creature that has mastered the art of slime warfare, the hagfish. When threatened, the hagfish releases a copious amount of slime from hundreds of glands that line its body. This slime is a protein-based goo that expands rapidly when it comes into contact with water, quickly transforming the surrounding area into a thick, gelatinous mess. For predators, this slime is a nightmare, clogging their gills and making it nearly impossible to get a grip on the slippery hagfish. Our next encounter takes us to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, where we witness an act of self-sacrifice, the explosive defense of the Malaysian Exploding Ant. These ants are fiercely protective of their colony. Worker ants have enlarged mandibular glands filled with a sticky, toxic substance. When threatened, the ant contracts its muscles, rupturing its body and spraying toxic goo. This act deters predators and immobilizes attackers. Our journey takes us next to the forests and grasslands of North America, home to a creature that needs no introduction when it comes to self-defense, the porcupine. This prickly rodent is a master of passive aggression, deterring predators with its formidable coat of barbed quills. Contrary to popular belief, porcupines cannot shoot their quills. Instead, these modified hairs detach easily when touched, embedding themselves in the unfortunate recipient. Each quill is equipped with microscopic barbs that make removal a painful and difficult process. Our exploration of animal defenses takes a vibrant turn as we venture into the rainforests of Central and South America, home to some of the most colorful creatures on Earth, poison dart frogs. These tiny amphibians are a sight to behold, with their dazzling hues of blue, yellow, orange, and red. Poison dart frogs secrete potent toxins through their skin, a defense mechanism that makes them a dangerous meal for any predator foolish enough to ignore their warning coloration. The toxins vary between species, but some are potent enough to kill a human with a single touch. By consuming ants, mites, and other small invertebrates, these frogs accumulate toxins in their skin, creating a deadly defense that keeps predators at bay. Our journey takes a strange and somewhat unsettling turn as we descend once more to the ocean floor, where we encounter a creature that takes the phrase "fight or flight" to a whole new level. The sea cucumber. When threatened, the sea cucumber can expel its internal organs through its anus in a process known as evisceration. This sticky, toxic mess entangles and distracts predators, giving the sea cucumber a chance to escape. While this might seem like a drastic measure, the sea cucumber is remarkably resilient. Over the following weeks, it will regenerate its lost organs, emerging from the encounter good as new. Our countdown concludes with a creature that takes self-inflation to a whole new level, the pufferfish. When threatened, the pufferfish rapidly inflates its body by gulping down water or air. This rapid expansion causes its skin to stretch, revealing hundreds of sharp spines that were previously hidden. For predators, attempting to swallow a pufferfish in this state is like trying to eat a spiky balloon. Many species also contain tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin that is deadly to most animals, including humans. The pufferfish's dramatic transformation is a testament to the power of adaptation and a reminder that even the most unassuming creatures can possess extraordinary defenses. From the Mimic Octopus's astonishing transformations to the pufferfish's dramatic inflation, the animal kingdom is awash in extraordinary defenses, each one a testament to the power of natural selection. These creatures, honed by millennia of evolution, remind us that survival is a constant struggle, a delicate dance between predator and prey. And remember, in the wild, it's